So hi, hello, what's up? Today we are going to make some Instagram stories because I'm going to share with you some Instagram story ideas using only the Canva app. So Canva on your phone. I am going to use only free elements, free background, everything free. You don't need to have a Canva Pro to watch this video and to follow along, so that makes it even better. And we are going to try to make as many Instagram stories as possible. I am sorry, I have a gum and I keep doing this. It's terrible. I hate it. I hate watching people doing this. So if you're out of ideas for your Instagram stories, if you don't know what kind of app you need to use to make some new one and make your followers engage with you in your stories, you need to watch this video. Let's get right into it. If you are back here because you love my videos, thank you for watching and thank you for coming back. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name is Justine Lemer. I am working into the digital marketing world and I love everything graphic design, branding, business, productivity, and I love sharing all those things here on YouTube. So if you like that kind of content, don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's go. We're going to go into my iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to go into your App Store or your Google Store. Is it Play Store? Google Store, Play Store, I don't know. Download Canva, free. And let's get right into it. So here we are on my phone right now and we are going to create, so I just posted a reel, so I'm gonna have some notification. I'm sorry. All right, so let's go. We're going to go into Canva. Into your home, you're going to have create a design and you're going to have tons of different like Canva that you can use, and we're going to obviously use Instagram story because it's Instagram story ideas using Canva. So let's do Instagram story. And the first thing we are going to do is go on blank. We're not going to use any of those templates. We're going to create our own. So let's go on blank. And our first Instagram story ID will be mood board. So share how you feel or how you want to feel with your followers. So we're going to create a mood board with 4 grid, and in those grid we are going to put images on how we feel. So let me show you. So we're going to do elements, and here on elements you're going to go into the little filter and you're going to do free because we're only using free things today. Apply filter, and now you're going to look for grid. So we say 4 and they need to be all like even. It's this one. We're gonna go to this one, select it, and so now we have our 4 grid. So in those grids, we're going to put images. And so if you go into my Instagram, Justine Lemer with 2 I, and you go into my story, I made a highlight story about all the mood boards I created if you want some inspiration on how to create mood boards. I usually do 3 inspirational pictures and 1 quote. So this is what we're gonna do. So you can go into the plus and you can either go into the photos from the gallery of Canva, or you can go into Pinterest, look for images and your quote, and then put it in your Canva. This is what I like to do, but for today's we're going to use photo. Same again, please go into the filter and do free, apply filter, and then select pictures that inspire you. I'm going to go with this one and I'm going to drag it here, and I'm going to keep adding some photos. That would be my mood board and that would be my Instagram story ID number 1. So what you'll do after that, here, and it's saving into your camera roll. Okay, so Instagram story ID number 2 will be to make a color palette inspiration. Love this. So what we're gonna do is going back home, take Instagram story, do blank, and we're going to make a color palette using a photo. So you go into photos and choose a really nice picture that you like. Then you're going to resize it and then you're going to start adding colors. We're going to go into elements. We're going to go into the filter, do free again, remember, and we're going to tap frame. Here you will have little frames that you can use that are free. And I want to use this round shape. And I'm going to do maybe 6 of them. And so I'm going to duplicate this. So maybe 4. I think 4 is great. And now you're going to pick up colors. You're going to pick up colors from the image. Save and right into your camera roll. Ready to post in your stories. The next Instagram story idea using Canva would be creating a background for your new post. Once again, we do the same, blank. Let's go into backgrounds. Texture, this wall. There you go. We have our background. Put the color of your choice, by the way. So I would say use the color of your brand. Now I'm going to go into elements and we're going to look for new. I'm going to use this one and I'm going to change the color in white and I'm going to duplicate it. And now I want to show you how I would do on my Instagram story. We're gonna share this post. Now we're going to go there. We're going to look for new. You take your new and you put it, and then you're going to look for your post, which is here. New. So the last Instagram story ID that you can create in Canva for free would be a quote. First, know that you have tons of free templates that you can use. If you don't have any ideas or you're not feeling creative that day, you can definitely use one of those templates. Once again, we're going to Instagram stories. And so here you have tons of templates. So let's take this one, for example. It says reminder with a quote. That one says important reminder. So you have tons of kind of quote ideas that you can use through those templates. But let's create our own. You know how I am about these. So let's go into blank, adding some text. So we're going to that text and we're going to do, and then you can choose your font. If you have Canva Pro, you can download font from your phone. Otherwise, you have a ton of free fonts into the app that you can use. The one with the crown on the side is Canva Pro users only. So try to find a font that has no crown on the side. And from here, we're going to add some elements. Your own quote, you download it and you can add it to your Instagram story. You can even make an Instagram story highlight with all the quotes you've created, and all of that for free. That's engaging. People would like to save it, people would like to have them on their phone. I will make another one soon to share more tips on Canva and give you more Instagram story ideas using only Canva and the free version of Canva. If you like this video and you don't want to miss any of my future video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. That really helped me out, and thank you for watching. Bye.